Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this vanilla pudding from scratch. The recipe and how to make it is in the description below. Now here's a list of ingredients. Now let's get started. In a medium pot on medium heat, we're going to be adding in our milk and our granulated sugar. And just give that a quick stir. Add in your beaten eggs and stir those in. And then add in your cornstarch and mix that in as well. And we're gonna just be mixing this continuously until it starts to thicken, and once it starts to boil, we're gonna be cooking that for about 60 seconds. And as you can see, it's starting to thicken up. And now it's starting to boil, so we'll boil that for 60 seconds and then remove that from the heat and stir in your butter. And now add in the vanilla and mix that in as well. And then add that all to a bowl and place it in the fridge for 2 hours to set. In the meantime, while it's sitting in the fridge, I'm going to be taking it out a few times just to stir it so it doesn't create a film on top. That's what it looks like after 15 minutes of sitting in the fridge. I'm just going to give that a stir and add it back in. And that is the consistency of the pudding after 2 hours of being in the fridge. Now it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Enjoy!